How to install Candy Crush Saga on Android. Unlock your phone and open the Play Store. Yup, that colorful triangle icon. Tap it and let's rolling. In the search bar at the bottom, type Candy Crush Saga, not Candy Crush Friends, not Soda, just the good old Saga. Hit the search button, the magnifying glass. Found it? Great! Tap on the big bright install. Watch the loading bar go. It's downloading your future addiction. Wait a few seconds or snack on the candy while it's installed. Maybe not 500 levels worth of waiting, but give it a moment. Hit play once it's ready. And ta-da! And ta-da! Welcome to the world of boosters, jelly, and chocolate blocks. Log in with Facebook or play as a guest. Wanna save your progress? Facebook is your friend. Want total freedom? Guest mode is for you. And that's it. You have officially joined the Candy Crush Kingdom. Now go crush those candies like a pro. Just don't blame me when you are on level 300 at 2 in the morning. And if this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.